Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DPS Sahiwal online classes. How are you? I am fine and hope you will be fine also. Class 4. This is your maths lesson and here is your teacher Javeria Asghar. As you know that nowadays we are discussing unit number 1, numbers and arithmetic operations. We are going to discuss today subtraction of numbers up to 6 digits. By the end of the lesson, students will able to learn subtraction of numbers up to 6 digits. The terms used for subtraction are left, difference, take away, less than. As you know that the symbol of the subtraction is this one. The definition of subtraction is the process of taking one number away from other is called subtraction. For doing subtraction, write your numbers in columns carefully. Work from right to left. Always remember start with ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000, then 100,000s. Our first example is subtract the following. We have to subtract 94,247 from 746,389. Start from right. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Here 4 minus 9. Now we take 1 carry from 7. 4 will become 14. And when we subtract 9 from 14, answer will be 5. After giving 1 carry to 4, here will 7 become 6 and there is nothing to be subtracted from 6, so we write 6 here. When we subtract 94,247 from 746,389, we get the answer 652,142. Our next example is we have to subtract 149,146 from 592,395. Start from right. Here 6 cannot be subtracted from 5. So we take 1 carry from 9 and 5 will become 15. When we subtract 6 from 15, the answer will be 9. After giving 1 carry to 5, 9 will become 8. When we subtract 4 from 8, answer will be 4. Now, the next column is 3 minus 1. It is equal to 2. The next column is 2 minus 9. 9 cannot be subtracted from 2. We have to take carry from next column. Here, after taking carry, 2 will become 12. When we subtract 9 from 12, it will be equal to 3. After giving carry 1 to the previous column, 9 will become 8. When we subtract 4 from 8, it will be 4. The next column is 5 minus 1. It is equal to 4. So when we subtract 149,146 from 592,395, we get the answer 443,249. We have to subtract 100 from 146,952. Write them vertically. When we subtract 100 from 146,952, we have to proceed the procedure. 2 minus 0 will be 2. 5 minus 0 will be 5. 9 minus 1 will be 8. Here nothing to be subtracted from 6, so we write 6 here. And also the next column, nothing to be subtracted from 4, so we write 4 here. In the next column, nothing to be subtracted from 1, so we write 1 here. When we subtract 100 from 146,952, we will get the answer 146,852. Our next example is, we have to subtract 100 from 305,103. Write them vertically. Start from right. Our first column is 3 minus 0. It will be 3. 0 minus 0, it is equal to 0, is equal to 0. See the next column. There is nothing to be subtracted from 5, so we write 5 here. In the next column, nothing to be subtracted from 0, so it will be 0. See the next column, nothing to be subtracted from 3, so we write 3 here. When we subtract 100 from 300, 5,103, we get the answer 305,003. Now students, it is your assessment time. Get ready for your assessment. Take a page and pencil. Multiple choice question. In first one, you have to take away 874,528 from 900,059. First option is 25,531. Second option is 36,531. Third one is 174,531. And the last one is 1,773,587. Hurry up student. Solve your first question. Next one is the difference between 99,999 and 1,000. Our first option is 89,999. Second one is 98,999. Third one is 80,001. And the last one is 8,000. Hurry up students, solve your next question. The third one is subtract 100 from 500,000. Your first option is 580,000. Second one is 409,000. Third one is 499,900. And the last one is 589,999. Hurry up, solve your questions. The answer of first one is the first option, 25,531. The answer of second one is, check your answer students, 98,999. Got it? And the answer of third one is 499,900. Got it students? Do you solve it correctly? Now it is your home assignment time. First question is subtract 100 from 810,000. Second one is subtract 2,000 from 919,000. Third one is you have to find the answer of 36,738 minus 12,849. Thank you students.